Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Daily English Teacher. Today we are focusing on IELTS Speaking Part 2. This is the long turn, where many students panic, pause too much, or repeat simple words. If you master this part, your overall speaking score improves fast. Before we start, help this channel reach 1,000 subscribers. If these lessons help you, please subscribe and keep learning with me. Let's begin. Part 1. What IELTS speaking parts are really tests. Speaking Part 2 is not about difficult ideas. It tests three main things. Fluency. Vocabulary range. Organization. The examiner does not expect perfection. They expect clear structure and continuous speech for 1 to 2 minutes. Key rule: never stop talking. Part 2. Basic structure that always works. Use this simple structure every time. Introduction. Background. Details. Example. Feeling or opinion. This works for any topic. TMI. Band 7 speakers do not sound smart, they sound organized. Part 3. Sample question and model answer. Sample question. Describe a place you like to visit in your free time. Now listen to a strong Band 7 style answer. I would like to talk about a small cafe near my house that I often visit on weekends. It is located about 10 minutes away from where I live, so it is very convenient. I usually go there when I want to relax or study. The atmosphere is quiet, and the staff are friendly, which makes me feel comfortable. One reason I enjoy this place is that it helps me focus. I often read books or practice English there. Overall, this place is special to me because it allows me to escape from daily stress. Notice, no difficult words. Clear flow. No long pauses. Part 4. How to extend your answer naturally. Many students finish too early. To extend your answer, use reasons, comparisons, past experiences, future plans. Example: in the past, I used to go there almost every day. In the future, I think I will continue visiting this place because it helps me stay productive. This adds time naturally. IELTS Speaking Part 2 is about control, not intelligence. Structure your answer, keep talking, and stay calm. If this lesson helped you, subscribe and help this channel reach 1,000 subscribers. See you in the next video.